What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we got to go over Shiba Inu and baby Shiba Inu today because we broke out of the consolidation for Shiba Inu, but then we actually started to go down even more. And with everything going so crazy in the market, stuff is starting to go right back down, back to their previous support levels. We're seeing baby Shiba Inu and Shiba Inu doing the same thing. So yeah, Shiba Inu now at 7.97% for the last 24 hours, and for the last 7 days, 5.48%. This is looking bad because this keeps happening left and right. Shiba Inu just keeps losing its rank. Like Shiba Inu was just now at rank 38, and previously Shiba Inu was at rank 27 a few days ago, like 4 or 5 days ago, and now look at it at rank 41. So this is bad for Shiba Inu. I'm not gonna lie. I definitely hate to see Shiba Inu keep doing this, but let's be completely honest. There's so many frauds. There's so many frauds in the Doge, the Shiba Inu community. There's just so many different dog tokens that people are taking their focus off of Shiba Inu and putting it on all these different tokens. Like, look at this: baby Shiba Inu, Sanshu Inu, Bone. They have so much stuff. Floki Inu. There's now King Shiba Inu. There's so many different Shiba Inus. If you type inside sheep, you automatically see Shiba Inu, Floki Shiba Inu, 3x long sushi. Like, you see baby Shiba Inu, Shiba swap token. Like, you see so many different Shibas. And then you look at Doge, you have Dogecoin, Doge Lawn Mars, Doge token, Doge swap. See, Doge X. This type of stuff is what takes away, it takes away the star power of the original Doges on the block, right? It takes away the star power from Dogecoin and from Shiba Inu. So every time you see one of these new cryptos being made, just know it's taking away from your favorite cryptos, which is Doge and Shiba Inu. But anyways, yeah, we did break out of that consolidation, but it was very short-lived. Like I said in my previous videos, you can definitely fact check me on that. But anyways, it was very short-lived, and now we're starting to go back down on this trend. So honestly, we're probably going to go back down to our support, and I'll explain where the support is later in the video. But first, let's move over here and look at this that we have here. 601,000 people now holding Shiba Inu, up 0.12% inside the last day. And we had 600,873 yesterday. Now we have 601,678. And now that we have 601,678, we can refresh it and see 601,680. So yeah, we had about 2 people just now within the last, few hours, or not even a few hours, but a few minutes of doing this. And we have people 24/7 buying into Shiba Inu. We do, but all of these fake Shibas are taking, it's taking away the star power from Shiba Inu and from Dogecoin. But anyways, look over here. We have this whole Rocket League event that's going on with Shiba Inu. This could help bring Shiba Inu up a little bit, help bring some more, help bring some more people, some people who maybe weren't into Shiba Inu, who were already into some Rocket League and heard about this tournament, and they were like, oh, I should get in Shiba Inu too. So it actually might help people want to buy more. It'll also bring people from Twitch over to Shiba Inu. So this is actually really good on Shiba Inu's part, because this is going to help us grow. It's going to help us get even more of a fan base, even more of a Shiba Inu fan base. So cool news there. It's definitely good that we're at 600k holders now. Shiba Inu has a lot of potential, but right now it's still in the FUD cycle. We're going right back inside that FUD cycle, that fear, uncertainty, and doubt. But anyways, Shiba Inu, let's talk about the price forecast for Shiba Inu, right? So Shiba Inu price soars over 0.0000061 as crypto exchange gifts 1 million SHIB to customers. That was really big there. And then a weaker dollar supports SHIB/USD at the 60 area. And can we expect more SHIB USD traders may look for buying above the 60 levels to a target of the 66 or the 69 area? But right now, I think we may be going back down to our support, and I'll talk about that here. So anyways, cool that we got the crypto, I keep saying crypto, but crypto exchange gifts 1 million SHIB to customers. So that was pretty good. And then we have all this down here with the price forecast. So you have the support and the resistance currently at the 0.0000606 area, and then the resistance at the 672 area. And then you have some more support at the 582 area, and then more resistance at the 714. And then we have more support at the 540, and then more resistance at 738. So the pivot point is the 648 area. And as you can see over here, this is their technical analysis. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But as you can see, the support here is very true right there. 575, give or take. And then you have down here at 582, it's very close. And then the 540. So we may end up going right back down to our previous support. So it's not going to be too bad if we do, but honestly, it will be bad if we break that support and then go all the way down to another level and lose another digit. That would be terrible for Shiba Inu. But anyways, I don't want any of this bad stuff to happen to Shiba Inu. This is just a technical analysis. It's just the forecast of the future. So it could or could not happen this way. It just depends, really. So Shiba Inu price forecast is slightly bullish above the 0.000006 area level, as SHIB has failed to break below this level. So yeah, we are still slightly bullish, and it's failed to go all the way below the 60 area, and we're at 620. So we're still doing good. Now we could, start on another positive trend line. As you can see right here, this could be deemed as a positive trend line. Like, what if we just, start going on this and we don't go below that area? So that's pretty much what they're saying here. Hopefully we don't, and hopefully it follows the chart to a T, like how we're saying, and does something like this, follows itself up, and it maybe has a little increase here where we are met again at our resistance, which would most likely happen, and we would get resisted again if we were to go back up on a bullish pattern. But if we weren't to go on a bullish pattern and we were to go back on a bearish pattern, we'd probably land back down here, back to where our previous support was. So either way, we're going to be within this channel, so we're not going to go down too much, not going to go up too much. We still have a lot of support and a lot of resistance to break. So hopefully we don't break the support, and hopefully we break that resistance and go up on a bullish run. But this is just my little thesis, my little technical analysis on it, and where I believe is going to happen. And it's kind of the same with them, but I'm more in the middle. Like, I don't think it's gonna go straight to the moon, but I also don't think it's gonna go straight down. I think we're gonna be inside of a sideways trading pattern for a little while. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and none of this is financial advice. But I wanted to talk about this. There's a lot of different fake Shibas, a lot of different fake Doges, and they've been made off of Dogecoin. All made off of Dogecoin. Shiba Inu was made off of Dogecoin, so we can't really hate on any of these other cryptos. But still, they're taking away the shine from Shiba Inu. Now we have the king of all Shiba Inus called King Shiba. So yeah, now we have King Shiba Inu. So King Shiba Inu is the more optimized and robust predecessor of Shiba Inu. Born out of a series of experienced and failed test cases, the king of all the Shibas is a bigger, faster, and stronger family member that can survive any attacks from the whales of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. King Shiba Inu has already defeated all its contenders and is preparing for its launch to Mars and spreading his dominance. King Shiba Inu values the constant support from its decentralized community and gives the responsibility to its members to hold billions and trillions of tokens. So by doing so, King Shiba Inu becomes the first token to offer such value to its ecosystem members and becomes worthy of the name Doge Killer. So King Shiba Inu has already empowered its siblings with great functionality, and they are preparing for the upcoming battle, new listing on P2B, whatever that exchange is. So yeah, now there's a new Doge on the block. Now we have King Shiba Inu. So yeah, there's a lot of different things that are getting added left and right, and there's always a constant contest between all these different tokens and all these different coins, because they're meme coins. So like, everyone wants theirs to be the largest, so everyone's going to flock over to the one that seems like it has the best gains to be gained. And now we have the whole war going on between Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. People are having a war whether or not this is going to be that. And honestly, I think Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, they're kind of equal. But honestly, I believe that we're losing a lot of star power to a lot of these smaller cryptos, like Baby Shiba Inu, Baby Doge. Just imagine, of all the money from Baby Shiba Inu, Baby Doge, King Shiba Inu, Floki Inu, Sanshu Inu, imagine all of this money from Shiba Inu, Dogecoin. If all this money went into one coin, if all of it went into Dogecoin or Shiba Inu, guess what would happen? Dogecoin would have reached $1. Literally, if all that money went into Dogecoin. If all of it went into Shiba Inu would get close up to not 1 cent, but 0.0001. And that's what I'm saying. Like, this is why we need to kind of come together, and we need to all get all in on one thing, like not be spread out between all these different communities, but it's going to be really hard to do. And I definitely believe in leaving some money inside all the other communities, but leaving a large portion inside of one main one, so then we can all grow at a faster pace, because that's really what the crypto community is about when we're talking about meme coins, because it's community based. So the more people that put in the more money, the higher your money goes, and then people start making money. So it's like it kind of is like a pyramid scheme, and when you think about it, but it's a pyramid scheme that you can win on if you sell when it's at the peak. So that's the honest truth of these meme coins. Like, People throw their money in, but someone is always going to lose money. It's just, are you going to be the one to lose money by waiting for it to reach the peak and then not selling and then watch it go down? Or are you going to win and watch it hit a peak and then sell and then take the other people's money? So it's like, you have to be smart about it. And you can't just, always roll with the community. You have to have your own mind. You have to have your own decisions that you make, because when everyone does this to the moon diamond hand investing strategy, like, yeah, that's cool and all, but when are you going to take your profits? When are you going to enjoy the fruits of your labor? And that is what I believe is going to be very prominent inside of this crypto market, because people really need to realize that you can't just throw it at the wall and expect it to stick. You got to actually make those profits. You got to actually do some sound trades, because let's be honest, these are meme coins. So whenever we have a major catalyst, after that major catalyst, we're 99% of the time going to lose that value and it's going to go down. So you want to sell it at the peak, so then you can buy it at the dip. So anyways, that's all I got to say with Shiba Inu. Let's talk about baby Shiba Inu now. Now, this also ties into baby Shiba Inu, because baby Shiba Inu has, it has some whales that sell a lot. Let's go over that real quick. So look at this. $4.3 million, right? And this is what I'm talking about. You have to take your profits, right? So it has 4.3 million in market cap. But imagine if you sold it when it was at 13.5 million in market cap, because it did reach that amount. So imagine if you sold it when it was all the way up there, you would be taking your profits and then you would be rebuying in right here. And that's why I'm saying, like, you don't always want to do the diamond hand to the moon strategy. But look, this is at 4.3 million inside of market cap. And now we have 30K people now holding baby Shiba Inu. So 30,511. We can do a little refresh here. 30,519. So we had 8 people just now buy that within the last 10 minutes of us recording this video. That is very significant with Shiba Inu, or baby Shiba Inu. Remember that. But let's talk about the whales of baby Shiba Inu, right? And the whales of baby Shiba Inu don't have that much money. I'm not hating on them, because I don't even have that much money. But let's look at what they have. So look at this. So the whales of baby Shiba Inu, you can see the burn address, right, at $4.9 million. So that's 53% of all of baby Shiba Inu, right? And then you can see over here, 1, 2, 3, that's million, that's billion, that's trillion, 1 quadrillion baby Shiba Inus, 53% of that inside of the burn wallet, coming out to about 533 trillion that's burned, right? So 533 trillion is burned, give or take. We have about 47 trillion not burned right now in baby Shiba Inu. So keep following along here. So now we have over here, this is the liquidity, pancake swap right there, 920,000, right? 10% pancake swap V2 baby Shiba Inu, right? And then all under here are whales. So you have the $316,000 wallet whale right over here. $316,000. This whale left and right buying orders left and right. Crazy, probably an exchange. Let's be completely honest, right? So they're one of the largest, probably an exchange. So cool. And now you have these whales here. So you have this whale here, bro. This whale here has $91,000. And mind you, Shiba Inu whales do not have that much money. $91,000. I can point out which one this is. It's this whale right here, whale number 9. And they're the number 9 whale, and all they have is $91,000. There's so much potential here. Imagine if someone came into Shiba Inu or baby Shiba Inu with $1 million. Imagine if someone came into baby Shiba Inu with $20 million. Now, if they did this, it would make all those people's money just go up and skyrocket straight up. So that's why I'm saying there's a lot of profit to be made in baby Shiba Inu, but not if you put your whole entire portfolio, because you're going to look at it, you're going to watch it go down, and you're going to sell it, you're going to get scared, and you're going to want to sell it, and you're going to want to rightfully do so, because that looks scary, seeing your money go all the way down. So that's why you only want to put 1 to 10% of your money in there. So when it goes down, you're like, oh, that's disposable income. I don't care about that money. So when it goes down, you're not worried. But when it goes up, you know exactly when to sell. So that is a good strategy right there. And like I said, these baby Shiba Inu whales, they do not have that much money in there. Like, let's be completely honest, $97,000 in today is not that much money. And even though I don't have it, even though you might not have it, it's still not a lot of money. The billionaires are the new millionaires right now. And we can definitely know that by all the money that has been printed into the US market and inside of all of the different countries. Not only the US has been printing a lot of money this year, every single other country has been doing the same thing because of the the situation. All right, so let's keep going over these whales. As you can see, this whale only has $91,000, but these sales are so significant because there's not a lot of money in baby Shiba Inu. There's only $4.3 million inside of baby Shiba Inu, which is not a lot of money when you like put it between 30,000 people. Like, you got to do the math between 30,000 people and let's go ahead and see what we got here. Between 30,000 people divided by give or take, I would say we have about 4.3. Yeah, let's just do 4.3 million. We're not going to do the exact numbers. Or, oh wow, I should have did it the other way around. 4.3 million here divided by the whole 30,000, and you can get about the average $143. That's if everyone had the same amount of money, right? So imagine if we got more people to put $143 in. I know most people probably have $143 laying around. Some people don't, but some people do. And if everyone did, that means that baby Shiba Inu would just go to the moon. But anyways, look at this whale here 14 hours ago. You know, all this baby Shiba Inu right here, that is 17 billion baby Shiba Inus sold. You have over here 504 baby Shiba Inus, 504 million sold. We have 549 million sold, or a billion. These are all billion, not million. So we had the same thing that is true for this baby Shiba Inu whale. This baby Shiba Inu whale just sold 81.9 million. And then they sold 121.1 billion baby Shiba Inu. I keep saying million, but these are billions that we're talking about, and these are all sell orders. So you're seeing a lot of these baby Shiba Inu whales are just selling out, and like I said, some of them are influencers that were paid in baby Shiba Inu that are now selling out. So we're getting all the weak hands out pretty much, and we're having a lot of strong hands coming in. So it's not all selling. We have this baby Shiba Inu whale buying lots of baby Shiba Inu, and then this one doing the same thing. So it's not all selling. It's not all FUD if you're uncertainty out, but there is a lot of it, like this whale here. This whale here is selling out 14 hours ago, more 14 hours ago, 16 hours ago, 20 hours ago. So yeah, lots of selling, lots of buying going on. But remember, this is only temporary because this is a temporary bear market. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Not telling you to buy or sell baby sheep or Shiba Inu. I'm just saying this is what we could potentially be seeing in the future of baby Shiba Inu and Shiba Inu. So remember, if you like this video and you want to support the channel, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe, and check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood and Webull, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.